Security tips for using Airbnb safely. If you want to use Airbnb safely, what you can do is first of all go to airbnb.com, click on your three lines icon from the top right hand side and go to account settings. From account settings, first of all on the left hand side go to login and security. The first thing that you can do is if you can see multiple sessions within your device history, you want to make sure to log out from all the sessions, because these might have been some of the old sessions or maybe some of these that you don't recognize. So you can always click on the logout button over here to log everybody out of your Airbnb account. The second thing that you can do is if you have not connected any type of social accounts, you can connect them for easier access next time. If you want to turn on shared access, make sure to only turn it on from the devices that you trust. And if you have not yet enabled two-factor authentication, you can enable that. But before you do that, make sure that you also create a password by clicking the create password button for your Airbnb account. So in these simple steps, you can use Airbnb more securely. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.